In this video, we are seeing how to create beautiful animation in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. Select and insert it. Go back to Insert, click on Icons, search Science here. Select these three icons and insert it. Go to Graphics field, select Color, increase size like this and adjust. Go back to Insert, click on Text box. Add information here, press Ctrl Shift to duplicates. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it. Increase size like this. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill and increase transparency. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select rounded rectangle, drag it. Drag the yellow dot to the left and place it on this side. Select both, go to Merge Shape, select Fragment and delete this. Go to Shadow and select Inner Shadow from Presets. Go to Fill and increase transparency. Click on right button, duplicate the slide, select shape, shift to the right side like this. Go to Transition, select Morph and also increase duration size. Again click on right button, duplicate the slide, select shape, shift to the right side. Go to first slide, now click on slideshow. See how beautiful our animation looks. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.